Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Aprilaire 560 filter is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your home's air quality, ensuring a healthy and comfortable living space for you and your family. This filter is designed to effectively remove dust, allergens, and other airborne particles, significantly improving the performance of your Aprilaire 560 humidifier and contributing to a cleaner, fresher atmosphere. Today, we will deep dive into this product and explore its features, benefits, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Aprilaire 35 Water Panel Humidifier Filter. This genuine replacement water panel is designed and manufactured in the USA by Aprilaire, ensuring optimal performance for your humidifier. It's the perfect fit for maintaining a healthy humidity level in your home. With dimensions of 10W x 13H x 1.75D, it's made of aluminum mesh with a porous, ceramic-type coating. This ensures proper water absorption and hydration for efficient evaporation. For best results, replace it twice a season. This convenient 2-pack provides a full 2-year supply, keeping your humidifier running smoothly. Maintaining a humidity level between 40% and 60% can reduce respiratory infections and allergy symptoms. It also protects your belongings from damage caused by fluctuating humidity. Installation is a breeze. Simply follow the easy-to-understand illustrated instructions included with your purchase. Enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home. What we like. It's a genuine Aprilaire filter, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance for your humidifier. This convenient 2-pack provides a full 2 years' worth of replacements, saving you time and money. If you value quality and convenience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Always a well-constructed and reliable piece. These filters are an exact fit for my Aprilaire 600 model, and the installation process is straightforward, no tools required. The filters are well made, and you can tell they're built to last. The panel came as expected and was made of metal. So 2-pack will last me 2 years, unlike the other paper material panels that you have to replace every few months. Panel fit perfect and works well. Number 4. Aprilaire 35 Humidifier Filter, 2-pack. This filter is designed to keep your home humidifier running smoothly. It's easy to install and will help maintain optimal humidity levels. It's the ideal replacement for your Aprilaire whole house humidifier. Ensure peak performance with this simple upgrade. This filter works seamlessly with a wide range of Aprilaire models, including the 350, 360, 560, and many more. Check the description for a complete list. It's not just for Aprilaire. It also fits select models from Honeywell, Carrier, and Totaline humidifiers. See the compatibility list for details. This pack contains 2 filters, providing you with a convenient supply for future replacements. Always have a spare on hand. Replacing it is quick and easy. Regular filter changes will keep your humidifier running efficiently and extend its lifespan. What we like. This filter boasts compatibility with a wide range of humidifier models from various brands, making it a versatile option for many homeowners. It's a cost-effective solution that works across multiple brands, saving you money. If you need a budget-friendly filter that fits many brands, this is for you. What people say. It's convenient to order, easy to install. Perfect fit. Easy installation. They were easy to install. They have a color-coded system for installation. Number 3. Aprilaire Tier 1 Humidifier Filter, 2-pack. This filter is designed to improve the air quality in your home. It's a simple way to keep your humidifier running efficiently and effectively. It seamlessly fits a wide range of Aprilaire and Honeywell humidifier models. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's the right fit for your unit. With dimensions of 10 inches high, 13 inches wide, and 1.5 inches deep, it's easy to handle and replace. It reduces pollutants from your humidifier's water, resulting in cleaner, healthier air for your home. Breathe easy knowing you're using a high-quality filter. This filter is designed for easy installation and replacement, ensuring minimal disruption to your humidifier's operation. It's a simple way to maintain peak performance. This convenient 2-pack provides you with replacement filters, ensuring you always have a fresh filter on hand to maintain optimal air quality. What we like. It's designed for a perfect fit and superior filtration, improving your home's air quality. This filter is specifically designed for home use, offering high-efficiency filtration at a reasonable price. If you are looking for a high-quality, yet affordable filter for your home, this is the one. What people say. These are authentic Aprilaire water panels made by Research Products Corporation of Madison, Wisconsin. They are a perfect, exact replacement for the water panels supplied in new Aprilaire and Lennox humidifiers using the size 35 panel. The filters collect pollutants well. Filter fits my Aprilaire humidifier perfectly. Easy to install. Number 2. BestAir Elite A35W Humidifier Filter. This is the BestAir Elite A35W humidifier filter. It's designed for long-lasting performance and easy installation. Experience better humidification with this replacement filter. It ensures consistent moisture levels in your home. It seamlessly fits a wide range of Aprilaire and Honeywell humidifiers. Check the packaging for a complete list of compatible models. This convenient 2-pack provides you with replacement filters for extended use. Always have a spare on hand. Replacing your old filter is quick and simple. Just follow the instructions provided with your humidifier. Maintain a healthier indoor environment with clean, properly humidified air. This filter helps remove impurities. What we like. This is an elite filter, offering superior performance and longer life. The 2-pack provides a convenient supply, and it's compatible with both Aprilaire and Honeywell models. If you want a high-performing filter that works with multiple brands, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to install, it seamlessly fits into my humidifier, providing efficient and reliable performance. The filter's high-quality construction ensures durability, and it effectively maintains optimal humidity levels in my home. This is second time using this product on my humidifier. Unit lasts through the fall to spring season. Replacement is easy to install and change out from old one. Fit our furnace humidifier as advertised. Number 1. Aprilaire 4750 Humidifier Maintenance Kit. This genuine Aprilaire kit ensures your humidifier runs smoothly. It's designed to optimize performance and make it feel brand new. No need to search for individual parts. This kit has everything you need for peak performance. Always refer to the included owner's manual before starting. The kit contains a water panel, scale control insert, water distribution tray, feed tube, and more. Everything is here for a thorough cleaning. It's the perfect fit for your Aprilaire humidifier, ensuring optimal performance. Remember to replace the water panel annually. Maintaining optimal humidity levels helps reduce respiratory problems and allergy symptoms. It also protects your belongings from damage. What we like. It's a complete maintenance kit including everything you need for optimal humidifier performance. As a genuine Aprilaire product, it guarantees a perfect fit and superior quality. If you want to easily maintain your humidifier and ensure peak performance, this kit is for you. What people say. Exact fit and easy to install. It is easy to install, if you get the right size. It does the job. This kit made my 1997 vintage Aprilaire 760 start operating like new. The old plastic frame was brittle and cracking and the feeder pipe had split and started to leak. This provided new fittings and worked great, especially the new orifice to regulate the flow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.